The connection between psychology, mythology, and literature is as important as the connection between psychology and biology and the hard sciences, meaning everything is not only connected with itself on a universal cosmic scale, but everything is also related to each other upon this finite, relative, and limited kind of world which the universe and the gods have made and created alongside the human beings and all of the living organisms and species of animals and the nature in accordance with or on the basis of the universes and the God's greatness, ambition, desire, dedication, want, discipline, willingness, freedom, it could be anything. And they have given all those powers and faculties to the human beings as well as to the other animals also, particularly to the human beings' mind and intellect. All those powers are engineered. And also, our soul has been manufactured with tremendous, influential, miraculous, and invincible powers of thinking, understanding, obviously, understanding everything and also predicting in one way or another. So, obviously, there is an inevitable and unavoidable connection between everything in the world. But there has also always been an invincible, undeniable kind of connection or relationship between the subjects of invention of mankind, of psychology, mythology, and literature, because they all become possible firstly and foremostly on the basis of belief and faith. For as long as there is belief and faith from the human beings in the world, in the absence of nihilism, atheism, objectivism, and materialism, there will be psychology, mythology, and literature also, because they all survive on some type of belief, story, idealism, or subjectivity or another. Because mythology thrives on the people's ignorance, arrogance, weakness, shortcomings, as a result of which we are sometimes obliged or forced to believe mythological, imaginative stories and characters at every step of the way. So that's how mythology works. And it prioritizes and feeds on some certain people's weaknesses and shortcomings, insecurities in the world. But mythology is good also for hope, prosperity, character, behavior, compassion from ourselves in this modern world, because we're already running low or we have already run out of patience, perseverance, tolerance, compassion, understanding, morality, kindness, humanity, honesty for each other in the world, which has led to a dire situation and unwantable condition of murder, criminality, violence, mob lynching, wars, and many of the conflicts in the world are taking place because of absence of religion and faith and trust and inner knowledge, internal reflection, collective conflict, and outside disharmony and disengagement as well. So obviously, psychology, mythology, and literature are all connected